It is Alpha Traders YouTube here at Alpha Traders Inc. on Twitter, at Alpha Traders Inc. on YouTube, alphatraders.com on the website. Hit us up, talk to us. We want to know. We want to know what you got going on. So, there's a green line on Tesla here. That is exactly the place it closed at. It's crazy. I've had this green line here for about probably 3 days. And it actually closed almost right on my line, which is great. Um, Absolute great play. I mean, everything was good, great long this week, but Tesla especially. We layered 3, 4, 5 times now. Multiple doubles, multiple. We got a couple that were 150%, just absolute one after another, after another, after another. Um, we started buying it right here once it broke. Um, Once it broke this right here. I think we gapped up here, or maybe we went all the way down. I can't remember exactly, but it got to 800, and I said, you know what, it's time at 800, and then we ran it all the way up 100 points, which was awesome. So, um, outlook for this week, obviously, it came off that double top, and it filled the rest of it out. But looking at the rest of the week here, I'm expecting a little pullback. It's very similar because Tesla to me is really the sentiment check for S&P now that it's in it, obviously, and the market in general, because it's the number one company in terms of growth. It's number one company in terms of future revenues. Um, it's just really, it's kind of like the barometer, right? So, um, now that we're at this point here, we got the 100 EMA at 907.57 overhanging. It's really the last stop. This 100 EMA is really the last stop before a nice big rip off, probably to about, if we're looking at lines, probably here, 978 ish. It might get back to 980, 985. It might overshoot that. This isn't a perfect science. The order flow will probably tell us it's 985 because that's a big, 985 has been a pretty big thorn in Tesla's side in terms of keeping it down. But it's also been a good pivot spot to get it to keep going up. So 980, 985 area would probably be a good place. They might push it to 1,000. They might get over it. They could get up here. That's fine. Um, but I'm not watching. I don't think tomorrow it will. I think tomorrow it's going to rest. You have that 821 day, and if people play the 821 cross, they might get it Tuesday on a gap up. Might get some good news, something like that. Random things happen. I'm not a huge 821 cross guy. It doesn't always work, but on a big one like Tesla on the mega cap, sometimes there's a big volume group of people that like this, especially if it crosses the 200 day. I mean, you're going to have the 8-day. That just means trends up. You can probably break out. I would just wait for 907 personally. Or if it dips back to 850, I don't know if it's going to get there, but this 890 should hold up pretty well. This 889, 890 area, and then worst case scenario, you're looking at 858. I would love 858 Wednesday. J Pow talks tomorrow. Maybe they take it all the way down tomorrow. Way futures are looking, down. Tesla's probably going to be down 0.5% tomorrow. So it might be 888, 886, somewhere in there. But that 980 is looming over it. I'm just going to be waiting. I'm going to be biding my time to get that dip down. I'll take 876 too. If it wants to do 876, I'll take that too. But I might layer it out. I still have April 1st 925s, so I might layer out there and see how we do. But you watch for this to come back. I'd really love it to get to 850, 857, 860, somewhere in there. That'd be awesome. It's probably going to take a rest day tomorrow. Let the 8 and 21 day catch up. Probably get a cross into Tuesday, and then through 908. I mean, this is a monster move. You got 908, 926, 950, and then on top of it, 980, we'll call it. So there's Tesla this week. Good luck with it. AlphaTraders.com if you want to join us. We pump out info daily. We get multiple bangers, mostly every single day. Myself and Flying Phoenix. It's a Phoenix is more of a scalper. I'm more of a swing / momentum, and it's a great combination. Love to have you.